see, because I would have started filing it and you would have gone, oh my God, put the lid on.
I'd have gone, eh? You know, I would have.
So I'm just going to file these now. I will file the side walls, get them nice and straight, and then go around the cuticle like I normally do.
You have to be careful, because if it bleeds, you'll go nuts.
If it bleeds, it leads.
No, if it bleeds,
that's a new story.
If it bleeds, you'll go nuts when it goes into the top coat. Be careful. Just seeing what you've just done. You went at it like a saw. Do a piece of wood. I know. Did you see it? Vicious.
That's not vicious.
Oh, God. Straight. Don't do it with a curve in. My Luke. Yeah, they're good, them are. I'll let you off.
What the sound of Rachel dance.
Oh, can you do a little cartoon? You know, little cartoons you put up on it.
Eh?
Put little careful. You put little cartoons of Kirsty on the things.
No, that's me when I put on
Oh,
Snapchat.
I
do that.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. So I'm going to buff over with the white block just to smooth them out.
Nice spell that is.
Do you like them? Yeah.
Yeah. I bet there's people who'd have a lot more nail grease than that in 4.5 weeks.
Yeah.
It's not a lot, is it really?
No.
But my hair don't grow very quick.
No.
Nor my neck, like my hair, all my nails don't. Do you reckon it means anything?
You put £1 on this week of Weight Loss and stuff.
£0.5 at Slaney. Thanks for reminding me, Adam. That's when I was being nice to you earlier.
So something goes fast, though.
Your ass.
No, that is the £0.5 that you put on as your hair.
Yeah.
In your nails.
Ah, could be your nails. You could be right. Those people could be right. You've put weight on because your nails have grown.
What a load of cack. Cack-a-boo-boo.
Cack-a-poo-poo.
Cack-a-boo-boo.
Just going to wipe over with pure acetone.
No, Adam. Thank you. Exactly.
How shocking. She's attacking me now as well.
No.
Top coat these with Urban Graffiti top coat.
She's going to get a wooden stick.
And I'll explain what the wooden stick's about. Faye does like to understand.
I do.
Everything.
R-E-S-P-E-C-T.
That's not understand, that's respect.
You will respect. Yeah. I respect what you do.
Oh, is that? Oh.
But she doesn't understand.
No.
She just
I
respects
might not
it.
understand, but I RSE.
Oh, God.
It's a bit, that was a bit like Ali G. Was it Ristikba?
What?
Have you never seen it? I don't like that film. Can't stand that film. I think it's wonderful. I hate that film.
What film?
Yeah, but he can't spell respect. A bit like
Ali G.
Oh, Ali G.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, Ali G.
I
Adam,
what?
what?
L-E-G.
Oh, my God.
Leg. So I was confused. You weird accents down here.
Oh, hey, man, don't get picking on our accents.
Since when am I Jamaican?
Oh, wait, she's here with a little wooden stick.
The wooden stick is getting rid of any gel that is sticking onto your skin.
It's called the orange wood stick.
Is it made out of oranges?
It's definitely not. I don't even know why.
Why is it called an orange
I think
wood
they used
stick?
to be orange.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Somebody told me. Somebody educate me. Right, go on, pop that in.
You haven't done all of them, though.
Oh, Shut up!
You haven't put the orange wood stick.
I don't need to put the orange wood stick around all of them. If
The
there's
orange
no
wood
gel.
stick that's made out of oranges didn't touch every cuticle. Just saying.
Every finger didn't have a bit of gel on the skin.
Oh no, I've touched the top of the.
Oh, I'm going to smash your face in. You've touched the top of the lamp.
Mm. I'm not kidding. I know, I was distracted by the orange wood stick. I like that colour in your nail, Kirsty. That colour there.
There.
Mm.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, why have I never had it?
Because it's not available yet.
Oh, isn't it? So why do you always get it on?
Because I get it first.
Yeah, but it's a bit like another client having my glitters in the nail.
You can't have it.
Why?
Only I can have it.
Oh, bullshit.
Testing it.
I like it though. Let me look at it. Shock, I spotted it. Yeah, I like it.
Give us a hand.
It's not cured twice.
It's been in for 5 years. It's been in the lamp long enough, yeah? I'm just going to put some oil on. There you are, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that video. I hope you've enjoyed having Faye back. If you want her back again, comment below. Don't comment. No, don't comment. And we'll do more videos with her. So, all the products that I've used today will be listed below. As always, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. You can say bye, Faye. Challenge Annika.
Challenge Faye to wear some Toppets nails for 10 minutes.
Somewhat. Somewhat.
Toppets nails.
What are those?
Oh.
Come on, what are
She
Toppets
would
nails?
never.
I know.
She would never do it. She just would be suicidal.
What?
Because, like, the structure's different.
Not
It's
one of the.
short.
Not the ones where you keep layering
You, it's off.
deppy.
No, not them.
Don't get doing no deppy nails on me.
Dippy nails.
No. What is this?
Me messing about.
I'm
That's one
sorry.
of them, isn't it?
No.
I'm
Oh.
sorry, but Kirsty.
Let's have a look at it. Well, is that the one that you're trying to do the thing
Nose
here?
inside.
Frisher will do.
The one that I gave you one of.
Yeah, I
One
still
or
haven't
two.
used it because it's there as a just in case I need it for an
You
emergency
need to use it.
every day.
Yeah. Oh, you're mad. You need to use cuticle oil every day.
Okay, well I haven't used it. I know. Sorry.
What? What's the use of having something?
Do you want me to
don't
use it tomorrow?
Yeah,
Right, okay. I'll use it from tomorrow every day
every day.
till I come in the next 4 weeks. Do you reckon that my
I think you're saying your vows.
Do you reckon that my cuticles would look even better? Do you think they'd be
Yeah.
more moist,
Oh, everything will be better.
conditioned?
Yes. Don't like
There's
the word
another-
moist.
No, I don't.